What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, it is another Uber ride along, you guys. I am having so much fun doing these for y'all, so I hope y'all like them. Please go ahead and hit the thumbs up for me, y'all, because I want to make sure that these videos get circulated as much as possible, because I am able to get this money with Uber, and I want you to be able to do the same if that's what you want to do. So today it is February 20th. It is 8:47 in the morning, y'all. Like, I'm doing good today. It's Sunday, and usually I like to get out early, but I be saying I'm gonna get out early, but usually I don't get out this early. But I'm here today. I'm excited about it because yesterday I was able to make like a little over $300, and so I did that in about 9 hours roughly. So I'm like, okay, if I can make that much in about 9 hours, then let's see how much I can make in about 10 hours. So today's goal is $400 in 10 hours. I know that's like $40 an hour, but hey, I'm feeling optimistic, and I hope you guys will follow along for the ride. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna do is go get some gas, because yesterday I had a full tank and I drove it all the way down to a quarter of a tank. So now it's time to re-up on gas. And then I usually get a car wash bi-weekly or weekly. My car is looking okay. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it as is because there's another snowstorm coming, and I don't want to wash it now and then have to wash it again next week. So it's actually looking pretty decent from when I washed it last week. So I'm going to go ahead and keep rolling and get started. The first thing I'm going to do is go to my zone. Right now there is a zone for pick up 3 people in a row for $18, and that started at 7 and it'll be over, I believe, about 1. I'll put that here. So I basically have to get into that zone, pick up 1 person, and then I can pick up and drop off the other 2 people anywhere, and I'll get $18. And then I can go back to the zone and do it again, so I can make the $18 again. So it's kind of how I'm able to get the money that I've been getting, because I'm able to kind of double up and triple up on those promotions. And also there's some really nice people in my city who like to give me tips, so appreciate that. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Guys, time for a super quick update. As you can see, it is 52 degrees outside, and it is 11:11 a.m. on February 20th. And I am rolling, y'all, and I'm really excited because it is nice and sunny outside, and it's been cold and snowy in my city lately, even still snow on the ground. But yes, I'm doing good, guys. I want to check in real quick. I'm headed to somebody else, but before I do, I want to stop and give you an update. I am currently at $46, and we are doing good. So I am still on the road to getting the $400 in 10 hours, and I am a little over 10% to my goal. So let's keep going. Thank you for following me so far. Okay, you guys, so I am back with another quick update. I'm doing pretty good. It is currently 2:10. I only took a small break earlier, but I'm still going strong, and I just got up over $100, so I'm at, I think, 119. I'll put it right here. And yeah, so I'm doing good. I'm over a little bit over 25% to goal, so we shall see, you guys. So let's keep on rolling. Thank you for rocking with me thus far, and let's get this money. All right, Team Tiarrea B. So as you can see, this video got cut short because I forgot to close out this video. I was so tired after driving all those hours, but I did end at $302.89. And here is the breakdown of how I got that money. I drove for 9 hours and 22 minutes, and I did 19 trips. I got 39 points. And $205.39 of that was the net fare. The promotions were $78.50, and I got $19 in tips. So I wouldn't consider this a fail, just because although I didn't stay online for the full 10 hours, I still drove every bit of 10 hours because I had to take breaks to get gas and things like that. But yeah, so I still managed to make over $30 an hour, which is pretty fantastic. So I just wanted to come back and just close out this video with you guys while I'm editing, and thank you guys so much for being with me on this journey. And go ahead and and thumbs up this video if you think I still did a good job even though I didn't reach my goal. Again, I am Tiarrea B and I am out. Bye.